The eastern rosella is native to southeast Australia and Tasmania. The bird is 30 centimeters long with a red head and upper breast and white cheeks. The rest of the breast is yellow, becoming greenish towards the abdomen.
The tree-weta is mostly found in urban settings. They mainly live in holes in trees formed by the beetle larvae. A larvae hole will hold up to 10 females and 1 male. These nocturnal insects eat plants and small insects. The tree-weta has ears on its legs used to sense vibrations. Females have a large ovipositor that resembles a stinger. There are 7 species of the tree-weta: Auckland tree-weta, Wellington tree-weta, tree-weta, Timorata tree-weta, Rector tree-weta, West Coast bush tree-weta, and the mountain stone tree-weta.
An adult hoo-hoo beetle does not eat and lives 2 weeks only. It is known to the Maori as pepetanga. The whitish larvae are up to 70 millimeters long. A common name for the beetle is haircutter because of the long legs and antennae covered with sharp hooks. If a hoo-hoo beetle lands on the hair of a person, they become so entangled that scissors must be used for extraction. The beetles are most active at night and are often heard flying into window panes with a loud thump, attracted by the lights of the dwelling. Hoo-hoo beetles live in native and exotic trees, and it takes 3 years to complete its life cycle.
The tui is an endemic passerine bird of New Zealand. It is one of the largest members of the diverse honey-eater family. The name tui is from the Maori language name tui and is the species' formal common name. The plural is simply tui, following Maori usage. The English name, parson bird, has fallen to the skies, but came about because at first glance the tui appears completely black, except for a small tuft of white feathers at its neck and a small white wing patch, causing it to resemble a parson in religious attire. The grey warbler, or rero, is a species of insectivorous bird endemic to New Zealand. Its natural habitat is temperate forests. Weighing about 6.5 grams, this 11 centimetre long bird is grey-brown, tending to olive-green tint above, and has a pale grey face, throat and breast, and has an off-white abdomen tinged with yellow. The tail is white underneath and dark brown on top, with white tips visible in flight. It also has a distinctive ruby red eye. The female has similar plumage but is smaller in size. The young are paler with no hint of yellow and have brown eyes. Common throughout New Zealand main island and off many offshore islands, absent from open country and alpine areas.
The fantails are small-bodied, 11.5 to 21 centimeters long, birds with long tails. In some species the tail is longer than the body, and in most the tail is longer than the wing. The majority of the diet of fantails composes of small insects and invertebrates. Insect prey is generally small and easily handled, but larger items sometimes need to be subdued by banging on branches, an action that also removes the wings of larger prey items like moths. The nest, a small cup of grass stems neatly bundled together in spider silk, takes around 10 days to construct.
The kingfisher is around New Zealand in numbers again. They nest in a burrow either in a clay bank or a tree, very often a decaying willow. The female does most of the brooding while the male supplies the food. They are bad housekeepers and the nests are often quite filthy. Other common names for the kingfisher: scare kingfisher, New Zealand kingfisher. Description: native bird, 24 centimeters, 65 grams, green fading to blue on the head and upper parts, buff underpants and and collar. Where to find them? Widespread and common.
Steely blue ladybird. The steely blue ladybird is from Australia and is often seen on citrus tree leaves, where it feeds on minute-scale insects. They are also common in warm native forests and gardens, especially on lemon trees from Nelson North. It can also appear green and it can fly.
What do they look like? Spiders are usually dark brown to almost black with a 5 centimeter leg span. However, there are a number of species in this group and this description may not apply to all of them. Where are they found? Throughout New Zealand, particularly in native forests. Some species are rather common in suburban gardens. Medium to large body length 20 millimeters.
How about you say that when the